Namaste, my dear student. Today I am here with a new video. Third part of this chapter, multiplication and division. So today we will learn this multiplication of large number. Okay. In the earlier class, we have learned how to multiply some number, and if the number is multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, and there is some short trick we have learned and some properties we have learned in the first part, okay, second part. So now in this part, so multiplication of large number. So for understanding this part, I will take one example. So example number 1, multiply 13585 by 93. Okay, actually you have to remember the multiplication table. If the multiplication table is clear, then your multiplication part is very easy. Okay, so very easy. Now so here now we multiply this 3 into 7, 3 into 7, that is 21. 21 we write here 1, so in your hand it is 2, 3 8 is 24, 24, 25, 26, again in your hand is 2, 3 5 is 15, 16, 17, in your hand 1, 3 3 is 9, 1, and you will get 10, so 0 in your hand 1, 3 1 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 4. Similarly 9 7 is 63, here 3 in your hand 6, 9 8 is 72, 72 plus 6, 78, 8 in your hand is 7, 9 5 is 45, 45 plus 7, 52 in your hand 5, 9 3 is 27 plus 5, 32 in your hand is 3, 9 1 is 9, 9 plus 3 it is 12. So now you add this 1, 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 8 is 15, in your hand 1, 2, 3, 2 plus 4 is 6, 2, 1. So this is the result 1 2 6 3 5 9 1. Okay, so now I take one word problem. So word problem example number I write here 2, but in your book it is 3 number example. So but I write here 2. Okay, a factory produce 23,450 toys in a week. How many toys will it produce in 2 years? Okay, in 2 years how many toys actually produce, you have to find that one. Okay, so actually it is given in a week, okay, but you have to find in what year. So first you have to find in 1 year how many weeks, so you have to convert this one. Okay, so we know that in 1 year that is equal to 52 weeks. Okay, so to 2 years equal to what, 2 years equal to 2 into 52, so you will get 104. If you multiply this 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, means 104 weeks, means in 2 years you will get 104 weeks. Okay, now number of toys produced in 1 week is equal to 23,450. so therefore number of toys produced in 140 week 104 weeks, that will be what, you have to multiply this. Okay, because if the cost of 1 pen is 10, so cost of 10 pen is equal to, how can you find, we can multiply by what, 10 into 10, like that. Okay, so you have to multiply this with 104. so if you multiply this here you get the multiplication part. So multiplication part you try to solve by yourself, you check whether it is correct or not. If you multiply this one, and finally you will get this 2438800. thus the number of toys produced in 2 years is 24,38,800. this is the required result. Okay, now we will come to the exercise. Okay, in exercise 3 you have to multiply a 5135 with 43. Now you multiply this one. 3 5s are 15, 1 3 3s are 9, with 1 you will get 10, again you will get 1, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, and here are 2, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14, in your hand 1, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 4 5s are 20. Now you add 5 0 4 4 8 5 5 10, 1 and 2 2 2 2 2 0 8 0 5. This is the result. Similarly we get this, just simple multiplication, you multiply this 7 into 9 like that, you multiply and add this. Similarly here also with same thing, you have to multiply 2 7s are 14, in your hand is 1 2 0 0. If you multiply 2 into 0 means 0, with 1 if you add 0 plus 1 you will get 1, 2 8s are 16, so in your hand is 1, 2 9s are 18, 1 is 19, 2 1s are 2, with 1 is 3. Similarly 7 7s are 49, 49 here 9, in your hand is 4, 4 7 zeros are 0, 0 plus 4 is 4, 7 8s are 56, in your hand is 5, 7 9s are 63, 63 plus 5 is 68, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. So now you add 4, 9 plus 1 is 0, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 0 in your hand is 1, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 1 is 16, 8 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 12, 8 plus 13, sorry 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 3 with 1 4 and this 1. So this is the result. In this way we get this one. Here also same process, here 3 times multiplying, 6 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12, in your hand is 1, 6 1s are 6 plus 1 7, 6 9s are 54, in your hand is 5, 6 4s are 24 plus 6 9s are 54, in your 5, in your hand is 5, 6 4s are 24, 4 plus 5 is 29, in your hand is what 2, 6 6 are 36 plus 2 is 38, like that. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27, in your hand is 2, 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is 14, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, then 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, in your hand is 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 6 are 12. Now you add this you get 1 5 3 1 9 2 3 2. Similarly we get this one. So this is simple multiplication only, so you try to verify whether it is correct or not. You check with the help of multiplication. Okay, so these are about this multiply form. This is the large number, we multiply some number with the large number. Okay, so now I come to the word problem. So question number 2, it is given Mr. Bhatro save rupees 48,290 every month. In every month he save what 48,290. How much money will she have after 2 years? So after 2 years how many money, actually how much money will she have actually? So first here it is given in month, so you have to convert this year into month. So we know in 1 year is equal to what 12 month, so 2 year equal to 2 into 12, that is 24 month. So in 2 year we get 24 month. Okay, now Mr. Bhatta save in 1 month is equal to rupees 48,290. so Mr. Bhatta will save in 24 months. So 24 months you have to multiply these two. So 48,290 into 24. Now you multiply this. Here we multiply 404, 4 9s are 36. In your hand 3, 2 4s are 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 4 8s are 32 plus 1 is 33. In your hand is 3, 4 4s are 16 plus 3 is 19. Similarly 2 0 0, 2 9s are 18, 1 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 8s are 16, 6 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9. So now you add 0 6 9 8 6 plus 9 15 1 9 plus 1 10 11. Okay, so this is the result. So this is the final result. So thus Mr. Bhatta will save 11,58,960 after 2 years. After 2 years he will save this much of rupee. Okay, so next question number 3 number. Mr. Mehta bought 15,346 shares for the auditorium. Okay, if each share cost is 398, how much money did Mr. Mehta pay? Actually, how many shares is there? 15,346. The cost of one share is 398. So you have to find cost of this much. So you have to multiply these two. So cost of one share is equal to what? 398. Therefore cost of 15,346 share is equal to this 15,346 into 398, and if you multiply this you will get this. Okay, now multiplication part you see here. This is the multiplication part. Some mistake is there. So this is 1, this is also 1. Okay, so a simple multiplication is there. So finally you will get 6107708. This is the final result. So thus the required cost is what? 61,07,708 rupees. Okay, this is the cost of 15,346 shares. Okay, so now question number 4 is homework. You try to solve by yourself. So now question number 5. This is the last question of this exercise. A milk boat sells 448 liters of milk in a day. How many liter of milk will it sell in 4 years? So here it is given day, so you have to find in 4 years. So first you convert this 4 year into day. Okay, we know that in 1 year equal to 365 days. So we know that 1 year equal to 365 days. Therefore 4 year equal to what? 4 year equal to 365 into 4. So you multiply this. 4 5s are 20, and in your hand 2, 4 6 are 24 plus 2 is 6, 26. In your hand is 2, 3 4 are 12 plus 2 is 14, means 1460. So in 4 year you get how many days? 1460 days. Okay, now in 1 day milk sold is equal to 448 liters. So in 1 day he sell how many how much milk? 448 liters. So therefore in 1460 days he will be sell milk will be sell how much? So you have to multiply this 448 into this. So we multiply this 448 into 1460. Actually in the beginning of this chapter we have already learned is for some case multiplication is the shorter form of what? Addition. So if you know 1 liter in 1 day this, so if you add 448 1460 times, then it will be very difficult to add. Okay, so therefore we use this multiplication form. So this you multiply. So finally you get what? 808, 8 6 are 48. In your hand is 4, 32, 32 plus 4 is 36, and in your hand is 3, 8 and 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, like the 40046. So multiplication part, 40046 are 24. In your hand is 2, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 is 18, 4 1s are 4 plus 5, like that. Here is a similar. Now you add 0 8 0, 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1, 13 plus 1 is 4, and this 8 plus 15 plus 1 is 13 plus 1 is 14 plus 1 is 5, then 6 5. So 654080. This is 654080. This is does, sorry, this is not okay, does in 4 years he will sell 6,54,080 liters of milk. This is the required liters of milk. Okay, so this is about this exercise. These are the very large number of multiplication. So if you not understood, you can comment in the comment box, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please put one like. Okay, today I stop my video. Thank you.